Welcome to 2 Minute Watches. Today we're going to unbox the new Citizen NJ02. You can see we've got the manual there, nothing else in the box. 3-year limited guarantee, international, nice. And here is the watch itself. NJ0221-50E, calibre 8210. Just putting it underneath the holder. Look at that, really nice dial. It reminds me a little bit of the one that comes with the Bulova Lunar Pilot. That kind of granite kind of aesthetic. Really nice, automatic. The bracelet, broadly similar. It's quite nice actually. Quite nice quality. Kind of on par with the Seikos that you get. You've got the movement of the display case, the back, very nice. Citizen on the rotor as well. It's quite nice. Signed rotor. Anything else particularly? Signed crown, no. But it's, again, dive watch, but feels really nice, but without, I guess, unfortunately, the rotating bezel. So not really a dive watch, a fixed bezel, as it were. But it does look really nice for the price point. Just quickly putting it on the wrist here. So it's on my 6.25-inch wrist. Looks really nice. Definitely worth the full review that will be coming. So watch out for that one. Thanks for watching.